Can you still change models on ChatGPT? Hello, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question I've been getting a lot. Can you still change models in ChatGPT? Whether you're using the free plan, Plus, or Pro, the answer is a bit more complicated than it used to be. So let's break it down so you know exactly what's going on. Back in the earlier days of ChatGPT, you could easily jump between different versions, GPT 3.5, GPT 4, even smaller models for faster performance. It was simple and you had options, but now OpenAI has made some big changes. In the free version, GPT-5 is the default model, and you can't just switch to another older or different one whether you want. That feature is gone for free users. Yes, you'll still see a section called GPTs, but here's the catch. It's only for enabling custom GPTs or plugins. It's not a model selector anymore. If you have noticed older models missing, you're not imagining it. OpenAI has officially retired several of them. So the list of available models is now much shorter. And here's another thing. If you're using GPT-5 heavily, the system might automatically move you to a lighter, faster model like GPT Mini. This happens behind the scenes and is designed to keep your conversations running smoothly. Now, if you have Plus or Pro, that's where you get more control. You can choose specialized models like Think Longer model for deeper, more detailed answers or the reasoning model for complex problem solving. This flexibility is one of the perks of paying for the upgrade. So to sum it up, free users get GPT-5 and not much choice beyond that. Paid users get extra options and advanced models. And no matter which tier you're on, OpenAI has moved away the older versions we used to switch between. It's definitely a shift from how things worked before, but it also means the platform is more focused on maintaining a few high-quality models rather than juggling many outdated ones. So if you found this breakdown helpful, drop a like. It really helps the channel. And if you want more tips, tricks, and updates on AI tools like ChatGPT, make sure you subscribe and turn on bells so you don't miss what's coming next. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next video.